Okay, let's continue. Let's continue, Kate. Ano to siya? Yung sa Gio din? Ano ba na siguro siya mo abroad na po. Bitaw. Okay, let us have here, please, color a card.
23C. The world around us. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
There's
Hello. Would you like to color this picture?
Yes, please.
Can you see the boy fishing?
Yes. Can I color his hat?
Okay. Make the boy's hat yellow.
Right. I'm doing that now.
Can you see the yellow hat? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and write. 1.
Now find the rocks in the picture.
Right. I can see them on the ground.
Color the biggest rock purple.
Okay.
2.
Can you see the waterfall?
Yes. Shall I color it?
Yes, please. Make it blue.
Okay. There.
Thank you.
3.
What can I do now?
Can you see the board in the lake?
Yes. Can I write something on it?
Yes. Write swim on it after do not.
Oh, you mean people shouldn't swim here?
That's right. It's too dangerous.
4.
There are 3 fish in the water.
Yes, I can see them. They can go really fast.
I know. Color the smallest one.
What color?
How about orange? That's a good color for a fish.
Good idea.
5.
Right. What now? More coloring?
Yes. Can you see the houses?
There are 2. Which one shall I color?
The nearest one, but only color its roof. Make it red.
Okay. I'm coloring that roof now.
Brilliant. Thanks.
C.
okay.
The world around us.
Sure. Okay, now, okay, so we have here, the color of the roof is red, the waterfalls is blue. And then, it says, the rock
rock
is
is
purple.
purple.
Ha 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 ha. Okay, now, read and underline the correct words, ha? Please read and underline the correct words.
Okay.
Wait. That one. Okay. Example, jungles are hot. Okay, just underline the correct words, color purple. Okay, go. You tell me if you are done, teacher, I am done. Read properly. You tell me if you are done.
Mhm.
Ay lang na ba na Jilindi? Kung nalang mo din. Ikaw po yung maninggo ta.
Okay, teacher, finish.
Okay. So here, number 1, 2. Okay. Wet. Okay. They are very what? Green. Of
Green.
course, forest jungles are green because many trees shade because it often
Careful. Often rain.
rains there. Oh, it means not always. A lot of fantastic
Flower.
flowers, plants, and animals live in the jungles. There are big, what?
Big sea.
Okay. Rivers. There's no sea in the jungle. It's rivers. Okay, be careful because sometimes you can find dangerous what?
Goodbye, dangerous.
Crocodiles. Some of them. Many people who live in a jungle have their homes next to the river or a waterfall because they need to drink. It's tea. It's water. People often travel up or down the river by boat.
Oh,
And rivers are like roads in a jungle. Okay, this one. This complete letter G or J. Are you right, huh? Letter G or J.
yes.
Okay, go.
Okay, teacher. No, no, no.
Oh, not the second one.
Okay. Okay, teacher, finish.
Okay, there are great green
Green.
grapes. Grapes. Okay, grandma. Garden. Very good. Always remember when you try to mention the name of the person, it is letter,
You?
big letter. Gilles, huge. You know what is huge? Huge. Huge. It means very big. Okay. Giraffe, very good, Kate. Enjoys. Vegetable, vegetable. Jungle and juice. Yay! You know the correct spelling. Very good, Kate. Okay, now, Kate, I will ask you. This is very hard. Okay, we'll not do it because it's hard. Let's move to the next topic. La la la. Wait, Nikita. Where's the other one?
Khi bố mẹ có con gái giỏi nấu ăn, là trải nghiệm gì? Con gái đâu? Mẹ mới mua được thiết bị này.
Is that
Mẹ
Kate?
có tin ở con sẽ là con cho cả nhà. Tôi giả vờ ngất xỉu vào cái tiếp sức mất đời trai của ông anh cả.
Wait, Kate, what happened to my computer, Kate? Cannot move backward now.
À đây ông đã quay lại rồi.
Mấy lần lợn đà bảo ở đâu cũng phụ được thế.
Làm gì đó. Ông sẽ đắp chồng cho tôi đỡ lạnh không? Ông chỉ mà tôi rồi bốc lách ở đằng nào. Theo đó ông cứ mặc định coi tôi ma sơ canh rồi làm thủ trò. Đến lúc tận tay không thấy hơi thở núi bắt đầu hoảng. Quả nhiên ông Toán vẫn còn có chút quan tâm đến cái này là hỏi các thứ.
Tầm 2 đôi con bé tiền rồi. Số tiền tiết kiệm của nó rồi anh em mình đi ăn.
Wait, me, Kate, what happened, Kate? Oh my God, Kate. My computer is not working now. Freeze. I'm here. Okay.
Tôi giả vờ ngất ngủ vào cái tiếp sức mất đời trai của ông anh cả. Được phải không thấy ông về.
Chị gái này có thể nhìn thấy chị đồ ác ý của người khác, nhưng chị gái lại có một phần trăm ác ý.
Cậu à, cây của cậu đẹp quá, cho mình mượn đó chút nhé.
Đồng nghiệp quay lại thì
Cây xanh của tôi ở đâu mất rồi. Cây của cậu cũng đẹp vậy. Cho mình mượn chút nhé. Cậu,
chị gái thả ra.
có mình ở đây sẽ không ai bắt nạt được cậu hết.
Hóa ra đây là bạn thân của chị gái, trong lúc đang đi dạo ngoài đường.
Đầu tư cổ phần lãi suất 150%. Chà, vậy để tôi chuyển tiền cho bạn. Xin lỗi, chúng tôi không cần.
Hai người kéo nhau đi.
Bạn có bị ngu không vậy? Người ta vừa nói có thấy là cũng tin rồi. Tí nữa thì bị lừa hết tiền. Không phải đâu, nhưng mình có họ bất lực bảo vệ mình mà.
Nhưng lúc đi làm chị gái phát hiện ra máy tính không còn dữ liệu công việc.
Không phải mình có lừa ở trong đây này. Là mình làm đó. Ai bảo cậu quá ngu rất làm gì cơ chứ? Tại sao cậu lại làm vậy với mình? Mình làm gì cậu? Tại sao? Bởi vì cậu quá hiền nên không đủ đẳng cấp để chơi với mình. Cậu sẽ phải trả giá.
Chị gái sẽ làm gì để trả đũa chị bạn? Cùng đón chờ phần hai nhé. Chị gái này
Okay, so this one.
chị gái này có thể nhìn thấy số ác ý của người khác, nhưng chị gái lại có một phần trăm ác ý.
Cậu à,
Okay, so we have here, first, can you see this? 8. We have
Big.
countryside.
Countryside.
One,
Leaf.
leaf. And one is leaf
Leaf.
and many leaves.
Leaf.
Okay, leaves. Okay, another rug. The rug.
Rock.
Another is the
Helicopter.
helicopter.
Film.
It's a film. Film. Okay, now look at the picture. What do you think? Right? Yes or no? Okay, you write yes or no, huh?
Okay. Okay, the jump finish.
Okay, the man is in the countryside. Okay, yes, we can see trees, river, and grass, right? It's very cloudy. No, there is only one
Holding
cloud.
hands.
Okay, number two. Two things are flying in this picture. Two things.
No.
Oh, how many things?
Two things.
Okay, yes, helicopter and the kite.
The man come to this place by car, yeah.
Okay. Yes, probably because he is next to the red car.
Where water is real cold there? Yes.
The weather is really cold there. Why? Because no, the man is only wearing a shirt, not a coat. It's not cold. Maybe it's windy. Okay, so ask and answer the question. Okay, this one. You ask, sir, what color is the man's shirt?
Mm, the man's shirt, color is red.
Okay.
The animal, can you see? I can see the duck.
Okay, what animal can you see? You can see a duck. Oh, wait. Yeah. Ay. What color is the car? What color is the car, Kate?
It's red. How many trees?
Okay, how many trees are there in the picture?
I can see two tree in the picture.
Okay.
Right? How fair has the man got? The man got curly hair.
What kind of hair has the man got? What kind of hair has the man got? It's
Curly
curly
hair.
hair. Okay. What is the blue in front of the trees? What is this blue in front of the trees?
What blue is leaf?
Okay, it is. What is this?
And
This is a
fan.
okay. Now you have to look at the pictures. Write it each picture A or picture B. Example: there are no leaves on the trees. It's picture B. Okay, write A or B only.
Okay, got finished.
Okay, well, very fast. Okay, so there are no leaves on trees, letter B. Number 2, please read.
There's only
One cloud. Letter A. 3.
A helicopter is on the ground.
The helicopter is on the ground. B. Okay, next.
The man hair is
The man's hair is straight. It's B. Okay, 5.
You can see red car. A. The duck is bigger.
The
A.
duck is,
The
you
man
can see a
is
red car.
pointing at the helicopter. B.
The duck is bigger. It's letter A. The man is pointing at the helicopter. Letter A. 8.
The red and green. B. B.
Okay, B. Number 9, very good.
Okay.
Okay, the man is wearing a blue shirt. Oh, what is, raise your hand. Okay, A or B?
It's B.
B, oh, correct. Blue shirt. Okay. Okay, this one. Let us have this. Complete the sentence. In the picture A, there's one cloud. But in the picture 3, there are how many clouds? There are 2 clouds. Okay, number 2. Please answer 2 to 7. Okay, look at. In picture B, look at the picture again. The one got blonde hair. Look at her. But then, in A, he's got, what's the color of the hair?
Is curly. Yeah, no,
Curly
it's,
color. No. Color.
it's yellow.
Yellow, this one. Is this yellow?
It's brown.
Brown. Okay, very good. In the picnic B, the picnic rug is square.
But in
Oh,
A
this one.
is a round.
Okay, very good. 4.
In picture A is on the the
Okay. In picture A, the helicopter is flying, but in B, it's on the... Okay, it's on the ground. 5. In picture B, the car is... What's the color of the car?
is the picture blue. It is the blue.
Blue. Okay, but in picture A, it's a...
Red.
It's red. Okay, 6.
In A, the man his shirt is
Pink.
red.
It's red. It's
Pink.
pink, color pink. But in B, it's color...
Blue.
Okay, it's blue. Look at the shirt. It's blue. Okay, number 7.
In picture A, the trees have got 2
Okay, got leaves. The trees has got leaves.
leaves.
How about in B?
They not leaf.
Okay, don't have or no leaves. Okay, look at. No leaves. Okay, very good. Okay, this one. Can you complete the message? Can you complete the message?
What is what?
Okay, that one. Please complete the message.
What is?
Okay, letter 5. What's number 5? Letter E. Really right here. Let's
Okay. 5. E. Next. 5E. 5E. E. 20. Yes. It's T. It's T.
Correct. 20
Internet.
is T. 20 is T. Correct. Continue.
5. 20. 30. 30. M. 1. A. 9 is E. Email 20. 20 is 3. 3 over 5. E. E. 5. T. Test. 1 A. A. B. E. E. Next. 5 E. 2 B. S. 9 E. T. T. 5 E. 9 E. 50 O. 2 B. 50 O. 11 K. B. A. B. L. E. E. D. Okay, teacher, finish.
Okay. Very good. Internet, email, text. Okay, this is up. Okay, website. Very good. Phones. Yeah, phones. Tablet. And ebook. Yay. Very good. Oh, very easy. Kate, easy, Kate.
Yeah.
Very easy.
Yeah.
Okay, very easy,
Yes.
teacher. Okay, so we have here, teacher, the word message. So you can see here there is message, there is internet, there is email, and this is the app in your phone. You can find the app. Okay. Okay, another
Okay.
one we have website. Again, it,
Website.
photo,
Photo.
tablet,
Tablet.
ebook.
Ebook.
Okay, now. So, Nick is phoning his work friend May to tell her about his trip. Okay, can you please use these words, Kate, to write here? This is only 1 to 7. Number 2
I'm
example.
going to teacher.
Oh, why? Hard.
I'm going we see.
Huh?
I'm going to the WC.
Ah, you are go now? Okay, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, bye, Kate. See you tomorrow, okay? Again, tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.